In given figure, X and Y are two long straight parallel conductors. It is talking about just two long straight parallel conductors, each carrying a current of 2 ampere. The force on each conductor is F Newton. As we know that if there are two conductors parallel to each other, suppose here are two conductors parallel to each other carrying current in the same direction, then they attract each other, and in case the current in the conductors are opposite, in that case they repel each other. So that is the case. And force per unit length between these two wires can be written as mu naught I1 I2 divided by 2 pi r, where r is the distance between the two wires. So in this question we are talking about this particular force. So X and Y are two long straight parallel conductors, each carrying a current of 2 ampere. The force on each conductor is F Newton. Okay, that means F is equal to mu naught I1 I2 divided by 2 pi r into, say, some length delta L. And when the current in each is changed to 1 ampere and reversed in direction, that means current in both is reversed in direction. That means they are again in the same direction. So direction of the force is not going to get changed, but the current has become half, 1 ampere. So the force, of course, is going to get affected by this. So it is mu naught I1 I2 divided by 2 pi r into delta L. In first case, I1 and I2 product is 4, and in second case, I1 and I2 product is 1. Okay, so the force will become F by 4 between the two wires. The force will become F by 4, but without change in direction. So option A will be the correct choice, that F by 4 and unchanged in direction. The force on each is now F by 4 and unchanged in direction.